Hello, so I thought I would do a video about different types of brushes for hairdressing. So we've got this. This is the Temara Rose, I believe it is. So you can see the brand there. This is the Temara Rose brush. So this is what I've been using a lot. The only thing is I don't like the handles very much, but this is the GHD brush. It does give you cramps on your handles, however, but this is just your typical ceramic brush. I forget the material it's made out of, but these actually do work really well. If it wasn't for the handles, I would want to use them more. So yeah. So I've just gotten this and I do need to clean it, but this is the Morrocanoil brush, so I actually really like how this rolls in your hand. And yeah, so this is the Morrocanoil brush, size 45, but I really do like it. The bristles are a bit long though, and it's quite grippy. So if you don't want a grippy brush, this might not be what you like, but I like them, so yeah. And following that, I've got a ball bristle brush. So this is the Evie's ball bristle brush. This is a wooden brush, or acts like a wooden brush. I'm not exactly sure if this is wood or not, but thicker bristles for great tension. This is great for your bouncy blow waves. You know, your blow waves that were super popular in 2014. This is great for that style, so yeah. So that's some of my brushes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.